Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It is Friday. Just got home from work, just made dinner, and since no one's in the house, my sister has danced today. It's just myself and Mia. Say hi, Mia.
Hi.
We're going to do some fall decorations, right? You're gonna help me decorate?
Yeah.
Yeah, and she has spaghetti all over her shirt and all over her face. So don't mind that. We should actually get a wipey. Do you want to clean your mouth? Word Party's playing in the back. And yeah, we're gonna do some fall decor, Halloween decorating to the house. Okay, so we have 2 bins of Halloween / fall decor. I think the majority of this stuff is Halloween, but I guess we're about to find out. I know we had purchased little things like this, like when the year was ending last year for Mia to do. So this will be cute for her to like put on the windows and stuff, since she's actually old enough to help decorate. Are you ready, Mia?
Yeah.
You're playing with my eyebrow stuff. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you're gonna ruin this. I mean, it's already pretty dry, but...
No.
No, but that's mommy's makeup. You're so funny. Are you gonna do your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Let me see how you do them. Oh, be careful. Let me see how you do your eyebrows. No. She doesn't get the concept. Anyways, let's decorate, Mia. You don't want to decorate? Okay, you're really gonna poke your eye out with this. Say, where do we start? Look, Mia. Nope. Say, look, we have spider webs. Do you want to decorate with, and look, these are little Halloween little pumpkins. No trespassing. You're in the frame. Do you want to show everybody? No trespassing tape.
No.
These little things here, as well as the stickers. Oh, the stickers are right in front of me. These were all from the dollar store. And more stickers. Yeah, more window decorations. All of those decorations, a little witch, but this is a hanging witch, so this has to go hung up somewhere. Oh, it looked like I broke the witch's head. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna take out both of the decorations, fall and Halloween stuff, because there's only 2 boxes here, so there's probably not that much Thanksgiving fall stuff to decorate with.
Wow.
Look, these are little magnets.
Wow.
That's a witch. A witch. Did you do kaki? You smell. Yes, you did.
Wow.
Wow, a witch? How do you say witch?
Fish.
Witch. Anyways, let's get started. restless? Okay, baby. Alright, so I did most of the decorating. I'm just going to leave everything else on the table that I didn't get to finish up. This little girl's getting restless, so it's time to take a bath. We gotta take a bath? Yes, we do. You're getting sleepy. What? I got a boo-boo? I do. Are you all bathed? Are you ready to go Mimi? What are you doing? Let's see what she does. Oh my goodness. Mia, you're gonna bust your lip. That's not funny. Let me see. Did you take a bath? Yes. Yes? And was it nice and refreshing? Mia, hey, listen to me. Like Miss Ashley taught you? How do you say thank you? Thank you. How do you say please? Please. That's how you say please. How do you say shoes? Shoes in sign language. Good job. How do you say all done? All done. High five. Say Miss Ashley taught you good. You're smart? Are you shoes? Yeah, very good. Are you smart, Mia?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to read a book?
No.
And you don't want to read a book and pray so we can go Mimi?
No.
No, not yet?
No.
It's the weekend. You want to party?
No.
No, not that either. You don't want to put on your shoes? Hey. Little girl, that's dangerous. Little daredevil. Who taught you that?
I did.
I did? You did? Yourself? Be careful. Okay, let's go play so that you don't hurt yourself. Come on, let's go play. Follow mommy. Mommy's gonna go play. Bye. Bye. I'll see you later. Oh man. That's an accident waiting to happen. Let's turn off this music and put on some TV. Mia's watching Little Baby Bum. She's being fussy, but obviously she's being fussy because it's 8:47. It's about to be her bedtime. So I'm gonna give her a bottle, read her a book. I feel like I'm like super yellow because of all these lights, and I have zero makeup on, so excuse my appearance. But yeah, anyways, I have to give Mia a bottle. I'm gonna read her book. We're going to pray with her little, she has a Precious Moments doll that we pray with, and she goes to sleep. She's going to sleep in her own bed. The pacifier has been long gone, and I've been loving it because I'm noticing how much she's talking. I'm freaking loving the fact that she's not even 2 yet and she's almost saying sentences. She's starting to learn to say please and thank you and all the stuff that you saw. You're getting sleepy? Okay, let's get you a leche. I'm done talking. Say good morning, guys. Mia, you ready for dance? Yes, we're gonna go to dance. Desiree's over there.
I don't know where it is.
Today's Saturday. We're gonna head to dance. Mia's class is first and then Desiree's. And then we're gonna come back because we have people coming over. Hi, say I look so pretty. You see my bow?
Yeah.
And my ballet outfit?
Yeah.
And my Crocs?
Yeah.
How pretty. You ready for dance?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Say bye, house.
Bye.
Bye.
You so cute.
So you do storage, I do.
Okay, let's go. So we're here at dance. I have like 10 minutes left before Mia has to go into class. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a new car. I used to have the Charger, the 2015 Dodge Charger, and I loved it. That was the car that I got for like my 21st birthday. That was like my first big girl car, I guess you could say. I got that car, like I said, on my 21st birthday, and I've had it ever since August, or up until August. I traded in that car because it was a very spacious car. If you want any sort of vehicle and you have kids, I would recommend the Charger if you still want something like a little sportier. The only thing with me is that it was still a car, so when you're dealing with a kid, you do have to remember that you'll be bending inside the car to put your child in and all of those things. So I wanted something a little bit more mom friendly, I guess. So I got myself a mom mobile, but I like this mom mobile because it's still sporty. I got the 2018 Dodge Journey. What edition? This is the Crossroad Sport Edition. So it still looks sporty. It has like the cool black rims. It's like a pearl color, and it has a third row. It's still very spacious like the Charger. The only thing is I lose a little bit of trunk space, but I don't have multiple kids, so most of the time that third row is folded in anyway. So I guess it's kind of like a Jeep when I put it like that, and I still have the trunk space. I only have Mia, but I also have the capability of fitting more people. I could fit 2 kids in the back, 3 people here, well, 2 with Mia, another person up here, so it's more spacious. It's higher up, so my back isn't hurting as much when I'm putting Mia in the car, and it has a bunch of cool features. So I'm really liking my car. I just wanted to talk about my vehicle for a minute. I did get a mom mobile, but I'm super happy with it. It's basically like having the Charger but higher. It's the same brand. It kind of feels the same. The Charger had a little bit more like pickup when, whoa. The Charger had a little bit more like pick me up when I would take off. Like it would go vroom, obviously, because it was a sportier car. This thing is shaking because I don't have a mount for it. I need to buy a mount. But yeah, I've been really liking this vehicle. Just wanted to let you guys know. If you're a mom of like 1, even 2 kids, multiple kids, or even if you have a kid that's a little bit older that can put themselves in the back seat with no problem, this car is pretty cool because it's like an SUV. My camera keeps moving. It's an SUV, but it's kind of like a Jeep. It's not so big, so it doesn't feel like a bus. And I've been liking it. But yeah, it's 10:52 and I'm about to go into Mia's dance class. See them back there? Say hello, my children. If you guys are new to my channel, that's not my child. I'm just saying that, but that's my sister Desiree. If you guys are new. You ready for dance now? Okay. Don't put that in your mouth.